Sadly, for most patients, we've been using the same chemotherapies that we've been using for decades. And that can work for some, but not for all. We need to improve our treatments, targeting a weakness of a cancer cell so that patients are more likely to benefit from an approach. But importantly, hand in hand, it's about minimising side effects.
I'd seen a gynaecologist with a little bit of unexpected bleeding. He wasn't too concerned. And then out of the blue, I took a phone call to say that it was an aggressive form of gynaecological cancer. Scans at the end of my treatment showed that I was completely clear of disease. Unfortunately, 3 months later, a routine scan showed some suspicious nodules on my lungs, and we began to talk about trial options and came across the ATARI trial.
So the ATARI trial is an example of aiming to deliver tailored treatment for patients, led by myself as chief investigator and through the ICR CTSU. And it's an example of taking forward discoveries from the ICR laboratories, from Professor Lord's lab, through to a proof of concept phase 2 clinical trial. And we can only learn by that interaction from the clinic into the laboratories.
The ATARI trial is innovative in its design because it has a platform design, so we can answer different questions within the same trial. So at the moment we have 3 groups of patients, different groups of patients, and we will kind of answer a different question in each of them. And also it is flexible because actually we can incorporate new questions as we have new evidence or maybe new information from the preclinical.
I'm now just about to start cycle 32. I mean, I can honestly say now I have no symptoms related to the cancer. I think the work that's being done in terms of new drug development by the ICR and the Royal Marsden has profoundly affected my cancer journey in a positive way. It's almost like somebody has pressed the pause button on my cancer, really.